Namaste and once again welcome back to the online maths class. Last class you have learned a logarithmic differentiation and we have discussed some problems in exercise 5.5. Those who didn't attend the previous class, please go through the class first. That is logarithmic differentiation part 1 video and then you can watch this class. Okay, anyhow let's start our discussion. Today we move on to the remaining part of exercise 5.5. Let me start with question number 6. Here the question is x plus 1 by x the whole raised to x plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. So let it be y, let y is equal to x plus 1 by x the whole raised to x plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. So put x plus 1 by x the whole raised to x is equal to u and the second term, that is x raised to 1 plus 1 by x is equal to v. Therefore, the relation can be written as y is equal to u plus v. And we can differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to derivative of u with respect to x, that is du by dx, then plus derivative of v with respect to x, that is dv by dx. Okay, take it as equation number 1. Now we can take the first term, that is u is equal to x plus 1 by x the whole raised to x. Taking logarithm on both sides. So it becomes log u is equal to log x plus 1 by x the whole raised to x. Now you can apply the property of logarithm, log a raised to b. Log a raised to b is equal to b log a. So we can write x into log x plus 1 by x. That is log u is equal to x into log of x plus 1 by x. Now you can differentiate with respect to x, that is 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, here the product of two functions, so x into derivative of second, that is d by dx of log x plus 1 by x, then plus second function log x plus 1 by x into derivative of first function d by dx of x. Okay, uv the whole dash is equal to uv dash plus vu dash. So first function x into derivative of second function, then plus second function log x plus 1 by x into derivative of first function, that is d by dx of x. Okay, that is 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, here x into derivative of log x, instead of x the term is x plus 1 by x. So first you can treat it as x, a single term. So log x derivative 1 by x, so 1 by x plus 1 by x. Now derivative of this term, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Clear? Then plus second function, that is log x plus 1 by x into derivative of x, derivative of x is 1, that is x into 1 by, here we can cross multiply x square plus 1 by x, here also we can cross multiply x square minus 1 divided by x square, then plus log of x plus 1 by x. Okay, now we can cancel this 1x and this square, again we can cancel this x and x. Okay, so the remaining is x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. 1 into x square minus 1, x square minus 1, and in denominator the term is x square plus 1. Then plus log of x plus 1 by x, that is 1 by u into du by dx is equal to this term, that is du by dx is equal to, you can cross multiply this u to right side, u into square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1, then plus the second term log of x plus 1 by x. Okay, and finally we can replace the value of u, and it is the first part of the question, that is x plus 1 by x the whole raised to x into x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1, then plus log of x plus 1 by x. This we can take it as equation number 2. Okay. Now we can take the second part, that is v is equal to x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. Here also we can take logarithm on both sides, so taking log on both sides. And we get log v is equal to log of x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. Again we can apply the property of logarithm, log a raised to b log a. 1 plus 1 by x into log x. Okay. Then differentiating with respect to x. Log v 1 by v into dv by dx. Here product rule. First function 1 plus 1 by x into log x derivative 1 by x. Then plus log x into derivative of first function 1. Derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. So dv by dx is equal to, we can take v to right side, v into, this time we can cross multiply x plus 1 by x into here on 1 by x, plus into minus minus log x into 1 log x divided by x square. Okay, we can replace the value of v, and it is x raised to 1 plus 1 by x, and here x plus 1 into 1 is x plus 1, x into x is x square, minus log x divided by x square. Okay, so dv by dx is equal to x raised to 1 plus 1 by x into, here the denominators are same, so we can write x plus 1 minus log x whole divided by x square. This we take it as equation number 3. Now we can replace the values we got in equation 2 and 3 in equation number 1. So equation 1 implies dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to this du by dx, that is we have got in second equation du by dx. The du by dx plus what? dv by dx. That is x plus 1 by x the whole raised to x into x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x, then plus dv by dx, that is x raised to 1 plus 1 by x into x plus 1 minus log x divided by x square. Okay, this is the final answer. Understood? Now we move on to question number 10, and it is x raised to x cos x plus x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So let y is equal to x raised to x cos x plus x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So as in the previous question, we can substitute the first term as u and second one as v, that is put x raised to x cos x is equal to u and x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 is equal to what? V. Therefore y is equal to this one u and the second one v, that is u plus v, and we can differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. We can take it as equation number 1. Okay. Now take the first one, u is equal to x raised to x cos x, and we take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides. So here log u is equal to log x raised to x cos x. And we can apply the property of logarithm, that is x cos x into log x. That is log u is equal to x cos x into log x. Log a raised to b. So this time we write first x cos x into log x. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, here product rule, this time we can take it as u and the log x is b. Okay, so x cos x is the first function and log x is the second function. So first function x cos x into derivative of second, log x derivative we know 1 by x, then plus log x into derivative of first function, that is derivative of x cos x. Here also we have to apply the product rule because there is two functions. Okay. So here first function x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, then plus cos x into derivative of first function, that is derivative of x, and it is 1. Clear? Once again, first function we take it as x cos x, so x cos x into log x derivative 1 by x. Then second function log x into derivative of first function, that means derivative of x cos x. So in order to find the derivative of x cos x, we have to apply product rule again. So x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, then plus cos x second function cos x into derivative of first function x is 1. Clear? This x and x cancel, that is cos x plus into minus minus log x into sin x, that we can written as x sin x log x, and again log x into cos x, that is plus log x cos x. Okay, here we multiply by log x and remove the bracket, that is du by dx is equal to, this u we can take to right side, u into, here in first term and last term we have cos x common, so we can take it out, cos x into here 1 plus here the remaining is log x, so cos x into what, 1 plus log x, then minus x sin x log x. Okay, now we can replace the value of u is x raised to x cos x. So x raised to x cos x into cos x into 1 plus log x minus x sin x into log x. We can take it as equation number 2. Okay. Now the second part is v is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Here no need to go for logarithmic differentiation. We can take derivative directly by applying quotient rule. It is u by v form, so we can apply quotient rule. So differentiating with respect to x, that is dv by dx is equal to denominator into x square minus 1 into derivative of numerator, and it is 2x minus numerator x square plus 1 into derivative of denominator, again it is 2x, divided by square of the denominator, that is x square minus 1 the whole square. Here 2x is common in both the terms, so we can take it out, 2x into first term the remaining is x square minus 1, here minus of x square plus 1. Okay, x square minus 1 the whole square, that is 2x into x square minus 1, this minus we can multiply and remove the bracket, minus x square minus 1 divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. This minus x square plus x square we can cancel, and the remaining is 2x into this minus 1 that is minus 2 divided by x square minus 1 the whole square, and it is equal to minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. Take it as equation number 3. Now we can substitute the values in equation 1. Equation 1 implies dy by dx is equal to this du by dx. that is x raised to x cos x into cos x into 1 plus log x minus x sin x log x, then plus this one minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. Okay, understood. Now we move on to question number 11. X cos x raised to x plus x sin x raised to 1 by x. So y is equal to x cos x raised to x, then plus x sin x raised to 1 by x. So put x cos x raised to x is equal to u, and x sin x raised to 1 by x is equal to v. Therefore y is equal to u plus v, and differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to what? Du by dx plus dv by dx. Question number 1. Now let us take u is equal to the first one, that is x cos x the whole raised to x, and taking log on both sides. Okay, that is log u is equal to log x cos x raised to x. Now we can apply the property of logarithm, that is x into log of x cos x. That is log u is equal to x into log x cos x. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. So here 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, that is product of two functions. So we have to apply the product rule. First function x into derivative of log x cos x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So you can take the whole term as x. That is 1 by x cos x into derivative of this one. That is chain rule. X cos x, derivative of x cos x. So again we have to apply the product rule, x cos x. First function x, cos x derivative minus sin x, then plus cos x into derivative of x is 1. Then plus the second function is log x cos x into derivative of first function, derivative of x is what? 1. I repeat, here first we take x as first function, log x cos x as the second function. Then we apply the product rule. So first function x into derivative of this one, log x derivative 1 by x, but instead of x the term is x cos x, so we write as it is 1 by x cos x. Then we apply the chain rule, that is derivative of x cos x. So here also product rule, x into derivative of cos x minus sin x, and plus cos x into derivative of x is what? 1. Then plus log x cos x is the second function, that we write as it is into derivative of x is what? 1. Now we can cancel this x and x, and we can multiply 1 by cos x inside the bracket. Okay, that is 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, here the term is minus x sin x, so minus x sin x divided by this one cos x, and plus here the term is cos x divided by this one cos x, then plus the last term is log of x cos x. Okay, this cos x cancel, we get 1, that is minus x sin by cos is tan, so minus x tan x, then plus 1 plus log x cos x. Okay, therefore du by dx is equal to this u into this positive term we can write first, that is 1, then we write the next term x tan x plus log x cos x. Or we can replace the value of u, that is x cos x the whole raised to x into 1 minus x tan x, then plus log of x cos x. You can take it as equation number 2. Okay. Now the second one is v is equal to x sin x the whole raised to 1 by x. Okay. So taking log on both sides, log v is equal to log x sin x the whole raised to 1 by x, that is 1 by x into log of x sin x. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. Log v derivative 1 by v into dv by dx, which is equal to, here product rule, 1 by x first function, log x sin x second function. Log x derivative 1 by x, so we can write 1 by instead of x, x sin x. So again we have to apply the chain rule. Derivative of this one x sin x, product rule, x into sin x derivative cos x, then plus sin x into derivative first, that is 1, then plus second function log x sin x into derivative of 1 by x, and it is minus 1 by x square. Okay, I repeat, first function 1 by x, second function log x sin x. So first into derivative of second, 1 by x into derivative of log x sin x, that is 1 by x sin x into, then derivative of x sin x is x into cos x plus sin x into 1. Then the second part, that is second into derivative of first. Second function is log of x sin x into derivative of first function. Derivative of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. So 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to, this we can written as 1 by x square sin x into x cos x plus sin x, then this plus into minus minus log of this term x sin x divided by x square. Okay. Now I keep 1 by x square outside and multiply this sin x inside the bracket. Okay. So here x cos x divided by this sin x, then plus second term is sin x divided by this one sin x, then minus log of x sin x divided by x square. This sin x we can cancel 1, that is 1 by x square into x into cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is what? Cot x. So x into cot x, then plus this 1 minus log x sin x divided by x square. So here in first term and second term the denominators are same. Here x square, here also x square. So we can write which is equal to x cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x whole divided by what? X square. X cot x plus 1 minus log x sin x divided by x square. Okay. That is dv by dx is equal to this v into, I write 1 first, 1 plus x cot x minus log of x sin x whole divided by x square. Now we can replace the value of v, x sin x the whole raised to 1 by x into 1 plus x cot x minus log of x sin x whole divided by what? X square. So we can take it as equation number 3. Now we can find dy by dx. So equation 1 implies dy by dx is equal to du by dx, that is x cos x raised to x into 1 minus x tan x, then plus log of x cos x plus dv by dx, that is x sin x the whole raised to 1 by x into 1 plus x cot x minus log of x sin x whole divided by what? X square. Okay, clear? Now there are 3 more questions, that is question number 7, 8 and 9. Log x the whole raised to x plus x raised log x, and next one is sin x raised to x plus sin inverse root x, and another one is x raised to sin x plus sin x raised to cos x. It's a homework, do it yourself. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.